Hey everyone, this is Jesse with Idaho Homesteading. This video is about golden pothos, a plant that we grow a lot around here inside. And it's one of the easier plants to actually propagate from the new growth. So if you see, we have this new growth out here. It's just coming out from the main plant. And all I've done is I've taken a piece of plastic cup and I buried it in this soil. And as long as that is in the soil well and both sides are damp, then it's going to start creating this little, white root from the new growth. And so this is probably taken about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And so it's already starting to grow that root out. And this way I'm just going to put that rock on top, make sure that it's weighted down so there's contact with the soil. If there is, then you should have no problem propagating this plant and making as many as you want. They grow pretty fast, and at $5 a pop, easy way to make all the houseplants you want. So with that, just start watering the plant. If you can, water it from the bottom. That's just the best method, and it'll start growing really well. Thanks for watching.